Today, I'm going to show you how to know the AnyDesk password, or more accurately, how to find and set the password for unattended access inside AnyDesk. This is useful when you want to connect to a remote computer without asking for permission every single time, especially if you manage your own devices or help someone else with theirs. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the AnyDesk application on the remote computer. This needs to be done on the device you want to access remotely because the password is configured on that machine itself. Once AnyDesk is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. From the menu, select Settings. This will open the main configuration area for AnyDesk. Now in the Settings panel, go to the Access tab. This is where AnyDesk keeps the security and permission options related to remote access. If the settings are locked, click Unlock first so you can make changes. After that, scroll or look for the section labeled Unattended Access. This is the feature that allows you to connect without someone on the other end having to accept the request manually. Here, click Set Password. A box will appear where you can type your new password. Choose a strong password that you can remember and make sure it is something secure if the computer is going to be left unattended. After typing the password, confirm it by entering it again in the confirmation field. Once both entries match, click Apply to save the changes. At this point, the unattended access password is now set and you can use it later when connecting from another device. If you're trying to check whether a password already exists, this same access area is the place to look, but in most cases, AnyDesk does not reveal the existing password for security reasons. Instead, you set or reset it here if needed. So the key steps are: open AnyDesk, go to Settings, unlock the Access tab, open Unattended Access, set your password, confirm it, and apply the changes. That's really all there is to it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.